Video, I'm going to show you how do you subscribe and open Finelo AI account. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the official website, so which is finelo.com. So that's the official website. Go to their website, and then once you get to this website here, you're going to go click on Get Started. So click on Get Started, and this will now take you to the startup page here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go scroll down and then just answering questions. So have you ever traded before? If you say yes, you can say yes. If you say no, you can say no. So you can just choose that. Okay, and then if you say yes, you can just click on yes and then hit on continue. And then now it's going to ask you for your age and all those details, so just do that. And here all we're doing is simply just answering all these questions here. Okay, so let's say if it's a side hustle, and here you're scheduling when you're interested. You can basically, like, it's like a quiz, just answer all these questions, start trading, hit on continue, and this will ask you, so how do you get to know Finelo? You can just choose any of these options, that's fine. Okay, and then hit on next step. So what held you back from starting trading before? We can just choose anything that you are confident with, and that's fine. Hit on continue. And then now, how familiar are you with the trading? You can just choose based on your level how you can choose that. Okay, and then hit on continue. Same thing here. So this is, it's asking whether you will take higher risk for better rewards. You can just choose. All right, and then this is also a question, what kind of thinker are you? So you can just answer based on your preference. So what do you think? So okay, and that's it. Once you have answered that, hit on continue, and we are almost there. And now, what kind of tools would you like to have? So mostly you can choose the simulator, the trading simulator for you. So and that, and this is your roughly based how much you can earn and all those things. So just choose that. And then how would you do? You can just answer these questions. It's just basic questions about you. So just, it's like a quiz, so just answer these questions. Whatever you feel right for you, just select that. Okay, there's no correct or no wrong answer. So once you have answered all these questions here, it will now create a personal challenge for you, which you're going to like complete it. So once completed, your account will now be, you'll be like officially subscribed, and your account will be open. So before that, what we're going to do is you're going to get this verification done. So you need to enter your email address, and it's going to send you an email verification link to your email, which you have to access it. So in order to verify your account, so I'm going to just do that. Okay, so once you have plugged in your email address, now you're going to enter your name. So just plug in your name, your details, hit on continue, and then now you're going to just do this challenge here. All right, so once you're done with their challenge and everything, so here you get to this your plan section here. So you can choose which plan you want to like subscribe with. So you can either choose the one that best suits your budget, so just select one. Okay, so just select one and hit on these agree with their terms and conditions here. And once you're done with that, click on get my plan. So once you click on get my plan, you will receive an email to for verification. So just go to your email, and then once you have verified your email, that's it. And once you're done with the payment here, your account will now be, once verified, you can now access your platform and start using the tools or for demo trading features, so whatever you want to do with it. So that's basically how you subscribe and open your account.